Ever wondered how a camera actually takes photos? Well, here's a hint. It's all about light. In this episode, we'll explain in 90 seconds. Well, it all starts with the lens. Light enters through the lens and is focused down onto the sensor. But there is a shutter in between the lens and the sensor. This shutter opens and closes, controlling how much light is allowed into the camera. A fast shutter lets less light in, and vice versa. The sensor records that light and converts it into digital photos. It's important to understand how a sensor works, not because it'll make you a better photographer, but because it'll inform your decision on what camera to buy next. Remember, the sensor is the most expensive component on a camera, so knowing what sensor you need is half the battle. Sensors break into two groups. There's CDD and CMOS. Both of these sensors have millions of photosites, or in simple terms, pixels. Light is captured by these pixels and then converted to electrical signals that are then sent over to the processor. Now, larger sensors are generally considered better because there's more real estate to house those photosites. But technology changes every day. As photosites become more efficient, smaller sensors are equally good at a fraction of the cost. But then why do some images turn out overexposed and others underexposed? Well, that's where shutter speed, ISO, and aperture come in. These three elements are known as the exposure triangle, and they control how an image is formed. Now that you know how a camera works, let's deep dive into the exposure triangle and the secrets of getting a perfectly exposed image. Let's jump to the next video.